Hey guys, Jess Hallock here. Today I'm going to show you my two favorite halos that I've been wearing every other day. They're super similar in that they're the same length, but they're completely different in how they look. So if you have one, you'll probably want the other. And if you're deciding between the two, this will give you a good visual to know which one to go with. So right now my hair is about a 14-inch length and I've been loving adding just like 2 inches. Honestly, if my natural hair would just grow to that, I would be thrilled, but it has been a journey. Trust me, this has come a long way. So my favorite length of halo to wear is a 16-inch. It's super lightweight, very comfortable, and I wear it every single day. So I'm gonna show you the 16-inch original and then my layered 18 that I have cut to a 16. I've been cutting mine to 16s for a long time. I like an 18-inch length, but there's just something about how full a 16-inch length looks on me that I just really like it. So the original halo is the thinner of the two. It's more of the natural look. It's flatter through the middle and then thick at the ends or full at the ends. So this one's just gonna give me like a natural thickness all the way around, and it's gonna taper more like how my hair would be naturally if it was this long. So they're super easy to wear. You just place it around the crown of your head and leave a halo of hair around your face. And then comb your hair from out and around it. I do custom color, custom cut every single one just to make it perfect, especially when you're a blonde or even a brunette, just with how much lowlights and dimension that there is. We've even done reds. I was red for a minute. That was really fun, but I learned a lot about red extensions because it is just as different as blonde. Okay. So here is an original 16-inch, very natural looking. Like if you just saw me out and about, you would think this was my natural hair because of the thickness. It's not like super thick all over. It just gives me a little bit of length, a little bit more volume. I just love it. Let me show you the back. You guys always ask for the back. So you can see it just gives me a little bit of length, very, very natural. Okay, now I wanna show you my layered 18. This is the thicker of the two, about 30% more hair than the originals, and it's fuller through the middle and then tapers at the ends. But when we cut the bottom 2 inches off, it makes all of it just really full. So if someone's looking for volume, it doesn't go on top of your head, but because this gives so much fullness on the sides, it's like it props your hair up as if you're getting volume. So I'll show you this one. To take it off, this is literally all you do. Just pull it out of your hair. They're very, very secure. Even if you have really fine hair, the wire's adjustable, so you can adjust it to how tight or loose that you like it. And you can wear it pretty much anywhere on your head. You just don't want it too far back to where it would feel like it would slip off. So I usually say like the middle is the furthest you wanna go. Okay, my layered 18 cut to a 16. You can already tell that's a lot more hair. This one I like if I just want like a lot more, I don't know, more of a statement. I tend to wear this one a lot more in the cooler months just because it has a lot more hair than the original. But look at this one. A lot more thickness. So look at the ends. Normally a layered would taper at the ends. You'd have another 2 inches and it would have more of that triangle shape in a way. But when you cut it, it makes it super thick. So this is also great if you're trying to blend a shorter bob and you want something that looks just as full, but because you need the thickness to blend a short haircut. So grabbing a layer to do that and then cutting it to where you like it is always the solution. But even though these two are the same length, I feel like they look like they're different lengths. They're just totally different. And my hair naturally is about a 14 right now. So this gives me a good few inches. Another thing to keep in mind with where I have this placed, I can feel it. It's a little bit lower on the back of my head compared to the other one. So since the wire is adjustable like this, you can move it along these hooks to make it tighter, and that also makes it sit higher up on your head. So here is the layered. Let me brush it out. Okay. Lots more volume. So again, if you're looking for volume on the top of your head, there are topper pieces, but the layers definitely give that illusion because it has so much fullness on the sides that your hair just kind of like rests on top of it and can sit with more volume longer, if that makes sense. I know you can see the visual. Okay, so the original and the layered, they are different in price point. Again, this one has a lot more hair than the other. If it's your first time hearing about these, we do it all virtual out of my salon here in Arizona. So you just send me a few pictures. We discussed your hair goals, what you're wanting to wear, how often, everything. And then once we pick one, we customize it in the salon, meaning custom color, cut. It comes ready to go out of the box. And then once you purchase from me, you also get access to me and my team for any of your halo needs. So if you need to reach out, you have any questions, want another one, then we're always here for you. So I hope this visual helped. These are my two favorites. So if you've seen any of my photos in the last year or two, I am probably wearing one of these. I even cut this sometimes to a 15 if I just want the most fullness, about the same length as my hair. There's a lot of flexibility with what you can do with them. So go to halobydjess.com, click to inquire, fill out the form, and then I'll reach out to you directly.